Y'all, please be careful when you're multiplying numbers. Make sure that you're counting the decimal. The next thing I want to show you is these two problems are very similar, except this is 32 times 1.8, and this is 0.32 times 1.8. The only real difference between these is this one has one number behind the decimal, and this one has 1, 2, 3 numbers behind the decimal. So y'all, we're going to work these two problems. You're going to see how similar they look, but we're also going to talk about the one thing that's really different, the one thing that's really important. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 1 is 25. Placeholder. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. So we add them up. I have one number behind the decimal, so I come back one number from the back, 1, which gives me 57.6. Now doing the similar problem, 2 times 8 is still 16. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 1 is 25. Placeholder 0. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. So if you look, we end up with the same numbers. The only real difference is, please watch this. 1, 2, 3 numbers behind the decimal. 1, 2, 3 numbers behind the decimal. Actually gives me 0.576 instead of 57.6. You have to make sure that you do those last two steps when you're multiplying by a decimal. If you don't, you might get the numbers correct, but if your decimal's not in the right spot, you will get the answer incorrect. Y'all, please, please, please take your time, check your work, check that you counted the number of numbers behind the decimal, you guys. It's going to be super important for the assignment today. Thanks.